What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. You can see the beautiful flowers in the background. I have a hot date tonight, and if you get a girl flowers, it's a one-way ticket to Pound Town. Oh my god. Yo, I should not say this stuff on my channel. We're gonna go by our friend Matic. Currently we're up 11.53%. Juicy pump for Matic here. We're sitting at a market cap of 6.09 billion. 24-hour volume, 885 million. Let's hop straight into the charts. We're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So we've continued to break out to the upside. We never dropped down to this yellow box for a potential wave 2 pullback. So as I mentioned, I'm going to change this color. You guys can't really see it. Oh, that's hideous. No. White? Okay, sure. Let's do white. So I'm more convinced that this was a wave 1. We had a shallow wave 2 pullback. With the subwaves, they can be a little bit more inaccurate. And we're going through a wave 3, in my opinion. We've broken huge major levels of resistance, and we're going to get into that for our friend Matic. So if we take our fib retracement here from the bottom of wave 1 all the way up to the top, down to the bottom of wave 2, your wave 3 target minimum is the 1.618. Of course, it can overextend, so you're looking at about 81 cents. It makes more sense that that would be your wave 3. Within your wave 3, you see your wave 4 pullback, your final wave 5. To complete that larger wave 3, where right here we have wave 1, wave 2 pullback, boom, wave 3, wave 4, your final wave 5 to complete the larger wave 3, which I'll show you right here. Here's your massive wave 1, your wave 2 pullback, your wave 3 target all the way up here. I think it was up at about, let me measure it one more time from the bottom. Now remember guys, please remember that Elliott wave is subjective to the person who's doing the analysis. So take it with a grain of salt. This is my analysis, doesn't mean that it's going to be completely right. It's just what I'm seeing on the charts and what I use to trade. All right, guys. So we're going to go from the bottom of wave 1 all the way up to the top to the bottom of wave 2. And we're looking for a 1.618 for the wave 3. Yeah, so you're looking at about 89 cents. So basically what we would want to see here, of course, it can overextend. This is a lot of numbers here. Yeah, okay, we'll bring this down. So our smaller wave count, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, anything above the wave 3 is the wave 5 and could technically complete that larger wave 3. So we have a subwave within the larger wave 3. We put in a wave 4 pullback and a final wave 5. I know to anyone who is brand new to this, it can look really confusing. Just jump on YouTube and search up Elliott wave if you're a beginner, and you'll slowly begin to understand it. It takes a lot of practice, takes a lot of time to understand, but eventually you'll get there with Elliott wave, and hopefully it will help you along your investing and trading journey. All right, let's jump into our next chart. We're here on the daily time frame. Check this out, guys. We broke this major cluster of resistance. Right now, we've broken above 75 cents. So technically, we've reversed the trend. We've broken the downtrend, and now we've started an uptrend, consisting, obviously, of higher highs and higher lows, just for anyone who's new. That's what you're looking for in an uptrend and in a downtrend, because I've been trading for quite a while. It just seems silly to explain this. For newbies, this is a low. And this is a high, this is a lower low, and this is a lower high, this is a lower low, this is a lower high, which signifies a downtrend. So right now we've broken the downtrend. We broke this major level of resistance, and on the daily time frame, Matic has begun an uptrend. See how fast things can turn around? This is why you should not be greedy. I only have 5% of my total amount that I want to put into my HODL position for Matic. So if the market were to fully turn around here, I don't think that's likely, but a possibility. Then basically I have to put all my money into Matic in the $1 range when it starts to push up. But it could push up and get rejected and come lower. That's what I'm expecting. But even I think I've been a bit greedy waiting for lower prices. So it's only taken here 29 days. So it's taken a month to pump 138%. Look how much of the downtrend we've already erased here. From the high, we were down all the way to the bottom, about an 88% drop. And now if we go from the high to the low, we're only down 73%. So you see how quickly things can turn around. So we have a cup and handle. Technical target's about $1.16, which lines up with a major level of resistance. $1.16 was a price number around $1.16, $1.20 that we've been covering for months and months and months. See right here, support in this area, tons of support here. So it's, oh, sorry guys, it's a little bit higher, right around $1.33. Let's quickly look at $1.16. Yeah, so about $1.06 to $1.16, we do have some support resistance in that area. Sorry about that. Now, if we look at the daily RSI, we've pumped hard all the way up into overbought, as well as on the money flow, and that can signify that you're going to see a move back down. Look right here, we were overbought, we saw a move back down. Let's give another example. Right here, we're overbought, we pumped a little bit higher, we saw a move back down, and of course, way up here, we're way overbought. But we have started to reverse the trend here, so we definitely, like, we're due for some pullback. Would be healthy for Matic, but this is crypto. I mean, crypto can do this. Look at this explosive move right here. If we take a measurement from the low all the way, you're looking at a 3 days, it pumped about 156%. So that's what can happen in crypto. That's the beauty of crypto, and also a curse in a downtrend when you have a nasty dump and it takes your money. even with our DCA strategy, we've been waiting quite a while to bounce back into profits, but look how quickly it happens. Our break even is sitting at 108. Now, of course, it can roll over and come lower, and I'm perfectly okay with that. I'll wait. We basically started DCAing into Matic way up here at about 229, and we had 8 entries, brought our break even down to $1.08. And you can see how quickly things can recover. But of course, it can roll over and go lower, which is perfectly fine. It's a spot trade strategy, and clearly in a bear market, it takes a bit longer to play out. But I also trade with leverage. Currently, I am in some juicy profits on my Gala trade. I gave a signal in my Discord. The trade's just getting started. It could still go the other way and get stopped out, but currently it's in profits here, which is always nice. So we'll finish off the video here with Matic. So potentially we're looking at a wave 3, and your target for that wave 3, I'm just going to measure it one more time here. We'll actually drop in a little box. Trend-based extension, wave 1, wave 2. So potentially we're looking for a wave 3 to at least take you up to the 1.618. I'm just going to drop a box in this area here for a potential wave 3. Now, if we were to roll over here and start to go through a correction before meeting that wave 3 target, then technically we could be looking at a larger wave 1, wave 2 pullback and seeing a massive wave 3, this larger wave 3. But as of right now, I do think this is a 1, this is a 2. We're putting in a 3 to take us up into this yellow box in between about 81 to about 95 cents. See that wave 4 pullback and a final wave 5 within the wave 3, within the larger wave 3. All right, guys, I think that's basically it for this little update for Matic. Explosive breakout here, absolutely juicy. See if we can make it all the way up to this technical target of about $1.16. Your resistance levels to watch that I've dropped in here, about 83 cents. You can see a little bit of resistance in this area, a little bit of resistance here, and then you have a massive level up at $1.04, $1.03. That's a huge level of resistance. Definitely could see a rejection. If Matic pushes all the way up to $1.04, wow, that'd be incredible. I mean, if BTC breaks out of this ascending triangle, it's going to be a massive breakout for Matic, most likely. But it depends. The BTC could also get rejected here, but Ethereum just broke out of its triple bottom ascending triangle, and it's looking strong. So that's it for this one. If you want my exact entries, exits, and take profits, it's coming in the $10 membership. I also go over my own analysis in the Discord, talking about the DXY, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Matic, and then posting my trade signals as well. Just took a trade for Gala. And I also post spot trades. If you're not a leverage trader, I have a very safe and profitable spot trading strategy, and we have 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee. You really can't beat it. All right, that's it for me. We're gonna make a few more videos today, and then I'm gonna go on my hot date. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.